Hi, this is a demonstration of CSYM021 Virtual Object Software. The purpose is to allow an admin to register a new learner profile. After that, learner can choose their unique course to check their timetable, materials, and solution. Finally, the solution will only release on a specific date. So this is the login interface which have ID, password, and access role. Access role will have admin and learner. So let's try to log in into an admin page. Let's say I'm typing in the wrong password and press sign in. It will show that it's invalid login ID or password. Let's log it into admin page. It will show register learner tab and update learner tab. What register learner tab is to apply for a new learner profile, which consists of name, address, email, and contact. So let's try. Here is here have the email validation as well. So let's see. Because I don't have the alias Hotmail or Gmail, so that it will show an error messages with invalid email ID. When you press register, it will show that registration successfully and generate a login ID and a login password. Let's copy this. When you go to update learner and press this load learner list, it will load all the existed learner profile. So this is what we created just now, and I want to modify the learner address 36 to 12. When you press update, it will show that update successful. So yep, it's already changed to 12. So let's press logout. When you press logout, it will return back to the login pages. So what we are going to do now is log in into the learner profile. The reason that invalid login ID or password because I'm selected admin and not learner. So if I choose the learner, I can able to log in. So it shows 4 buttons: course, register, timetable, materials, and solution. So this course register consists of 3 courses, which is LP, CRB, and CMA. Once the course is selected, you cannot able to modify. It only can be done by once. So let's say I choose for CMA and press OK. It will show that registered course is CMA, and when you press this button again, it doesn't work. And then this is the timetable for the CMA. And then this is the materials for the CMA as well. And this is a solution. The reason that the solution doesn't work is because today is like January 19. The release date will be February 17, so that it doesn't work. When it reach to February 17, you can able to check for the solution. So let's modify that. We change the date to January 1st. And when you press the open solution, it should able to come out with the first solution materials. Yep, here's the solution for the first one. Press escape. When press sign in, it will return back to the login page. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.